Looking to upgrade your GM vehicle's stereo without losing those handy factory features? The RadioPRO4 Stereo Replacement Interface with steering wheel controls is designed exactly for that. It promises seamless integration, keeping your steering wheel controls intact while delivering crisp, reliable audio performance. After 27 years in car audio installation, I've seen plenty of interfaces come and go. What sets the RadioPRO4 apart is its all-in-one design. It's preloaded with software to retain your factory amplifier, whether standard or premium, and even keeps your rear seat controls functional in most models. That means no compromise on your car's original convenience, just an upgrade in sound and control. Installation is straightforward, thanks to data-controlled accessory and navigation outputs that match your vehicle's systems perfectly. The built-in steering wheel control retention software eliminates the need for extra programming, saving you time and hassle. This interface doesn't just replace your radio, it preserves the features that matter. If you're someone who values reliability and ease during installation, the RadioPRO4 is worth a look. It's designed to work smoothly with select GM vehicles, backed by positive reviews from installers across the United States. You get a product that's proven, dependable, and engineered to maintain your car's original functionality. Ready to upgrade your stereo without losing the benefits of your factory setup? The RadioPRO4 Stereo Replacement Interface offers a clean, efficient solution that keeps your steering wheel controls and amplifier working perfectly. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a hassle-free audio upgrade that fits your GM vehicle like a glove.